Our country is faced with great challenges, and to overcome them, we need the voices of scientists and engineers. We need them in Congress, in state legislatures, and in local offices. All too often, our policy debates lack a strong understanding of the science behind the issues, an understanding that scientists and engineers can offer.
There's a problem-solving skill set that we, as scientists, work to develop. It's part of what we're taught. It's how we're trained to approach problems. Take a complicated problem. Don't try and come up with just a simple solution, but really break it down. How do I identify the different parts? That applies to more than just science. That applies also to matters of public policy.
If you are working as a scientist and engineer, and you have some capabilities of working with people, boy, you're in demand. No one else is going to come forward, really, who's knowledgeable about the subject. And that's what we need right now in this country. We need people who are willing to step forward and have that expertise.
And what the country desperately needs is more scientists and engineers in the public office at all levels. I don't care if it's a local school board where you can help improve math science education in your local schools, or it's a county or city commission where you don't deal with many scientific issues, but it gives you a political start.
If they know your background, they're going to turn to you and ask you, well, what do you think? And that's your opening. What do I think? Well, here's what I know. And then start. I think I'm a better engineer, better designer, a better teacher. I'm a better civil engineer because of what I've done.
I'm proof that anyone can do it, because I'm not a good political person. I'm a scientist at heart. I still am. But you learn the politics. If you can learn nuclear physics, you can learn politics.